Woolwich Arsenal, where this train will terminate. Or change for National Rail and local bus services.
Hello, join me today as I walk from Woolwich to Eirth. I'll be creating sketches of the route from the footage. Last episode I left you at the London barriers, a small walk from the Woolwich train station. This route is a simple route. Keep walking with the river on my left hand side. I aim to follow the shoreline till I reach Land's End, keeping a sketchbook along the way. So let's get started. And now for my first sketch. This man taking his dog for a walk. Naturally, I'm not really good at drawing people, and it's something I'm looking to improve. So I'm going to start with this guy. I recently bought some felt tips, as I'm hoping I can create more texture, rather than using my Posca pens, which are flat and opaque. Straight away I feel comfortable drawing with these pens. I'm really chuffed on this drawing, and it's a great way to start the walk. Throughout this walk, there were planes flying in and out of City Airport, so I thought it was best that I drew them. I'm not particularly pleased with this drawing, and in hindsight I wish I'd drawn in crayons. This is an interesting part of the walk. I definitely feel like I have left London, but I'm not by a beautiful shoreline, which you normally associate with water. I'm walking through the industry which helps support a city. I'm walking through the areas that supply the building materials, the landfills and sewage works. It's visually very interesting, but it does come with some strange odours.
Selection, order, DNR to contract selection. Thank you.
I think I might call this the walk of the shopping trolley. I walk past at least 20 on this route. I'm not really sure what's being dumped into the water here. At a guess I'd say it's treated water, but the ducks are loving it. So my walk is finished, all 7.2 miles of it. Here is a final flick through of the sketches I produced from the walk. I'm pleased with these drawings and especially chuffed with the felt tip drawings. Please join me next walk, where I'll be carrying on my walk along the shoreline to Dartford.